I'm all smiles because as an Atlanta girl, stuff like this doesn't happen for me very often. So it's nice to be outside in some snow. And right now, like you said and Ashley said, I'm on the campus of the College of William and Mary in Williamsburg, and they've seen about 2 to 3 inches of snow across Williamsburg, where that winter storm warning is. The Hurricane Center saying that Melissa could make landfall as a Category 5 by early tomorrow morning. Look how massive this storm is. The winds and the rain are already whipping parts of the island. With a few passing showers, maybe a few passing wet snowflakes overnight for the peninsulas. This is around 1 a.m. That clears out fairly quickly. Waverly, this is on your doorstep at this point. What you need to do is go to the very bottom of your house. We're talking a basement or interior part of your area in your house, and make sure to take cover. Notice how strong these storms are. The good news is that once these storms cross over your area and move to the east, your severe weather threat is over for the day. We're now, as of about 12:30, underneath a tornado watch. That's going to last until 8 p.m. Who's underneath the watch? That's going to be the peninsula, south side, and northeastern North Carolina. Now, a watch is not the same as a warning. A watch means that the ingredients are in place for the type of severe weather to happen, in this case, a tornado. For a tornado warning, that means the threat is imminent. This storm system is racing. It's about 30 minutes to an hour ahead of the projected models, but all of these storms have been warned at a certain point throughout the late morning through the early afternoon. The one in Richmond has been warned for the past 30 minutes or so. A few isolated showers are ahead of this system, but the main line still a little bit west of I-95. We do have some really heavy rainfall, gusty winds here in this severe thunderstorm warning in parts of eastern and southern Richmond's metro area. Now, this will race to the north and east at about 45 miles per hour. And with this, we have seen some wind gusts up to about 60 plus miles per hour. Right now, this is for Chesterfield, Hanover, Henrico, King Williams counties. But again, this will be moving to our areas as we get into the next few hours. We are still underneath this level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather, where numerous severe thunderstorms are likely. Again, our main threat being damaging winds, but we cannot rule out a few tornadoes. The other thing is we have non-thunderstorm wind gusts that are very breezy. At this moment, we can see wind gusts as high as about 45 to 50 miles per hour, and we saw a 51 mile per hour gust earlier this afternoon in Norfolk. Area-wide, we're seeing anywhere from 20 to 45. So breezy ahead of the system. It's going to get breezier as those showers and thunderstorms roll through. With the south wind in play, temperatures will rise to the upper 60s to the lower 70s. Notice how heavy these showers and thunderstorms will be as they roll through our area. They'll start around 2 to 3 p.m. for us, and then for the heart of our area, including the metro area of the 7 cities, we're talking anywhere from about 3:30 to 5:30 for these storms to roll through. If you live around the eastern shore, Virginia Beach, Outer Banks, this threat is more of a 4 to 6:30 event. We may have a few lingering storms into northeastern North Carolina around the Outer Banks through about 7 p.m. But once those storms clear your area, as they move west to east, your storm threat is over. We may see a few isolated showers continuing as we get into the evening time, but these will not be severe. We'll still have the south wind, so temperatures will still be mild behind this system in the upper 50s to lower 60s. That cooler air behind the front won't rush in until later tonight into early tomorrow morning, so we won't see those impacts until tomorrow afternoon. So a weather impact alert is in effect for today for the likelihood of these strong to severe thunderstorms to roll through the area over the next 7 hours. Temperatures behind this front will drop near normal to the upper 50s. We'll be back into the middle 60s on Saturday with isolated morning showers on Sunday. I'm I'm meteorologist Stephenson, here to explain to you how your weather works. As we enter the last few weeks of summer, some people are trying to squeeze in their last summer vacations. Whether you're a rookie or a frequent flyer, your ears have probably popped on a flight as the plane climbed in altitude. That's all due to changing pressure as you fly through the sky. As you go up higher and higher, the air pressure goes down. This means that the highest pressure we'll ever experience is on the ground. In your ears, air is trapped in the canal. As the pressure drops, the lower pressure entering your ear interacts with the higher pressure inside of your body, and this collision happens right at your eardrum. This causes your eardrum to expand outwards. That's when you feel the discomfort. The pop sound happens when the pressure in your ear finally equalizes. Then the irritation begins to subside. To avoid your ears popping or even temporary hearing loss on your next flight, yawn continuously during takeoff or chew gum. These practices help move that trapped air in your ear throughout your body. I'm meteorologist Stephenson, and that's how your weather works.